Morning everyone, it's Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. Yes, we're here again. It is Friday the 20th of May 2022. We're here to celebrate all those children in nursery, reception, year 1, year 2 and the SRB who've earned themselves a golden ticket today. So well done to all of these children. It is amazing. So we're going to kick off this morning in nursery. In nursery, this child is a kind friend and he's been working hard. He retold the key parts of the enormous turnip, which we're all working on at the moment, and was able to follow a simple map, which is amazing. And this other child has been really excited helping in the garden. She's now able to write her name independently and has been reading lots at home too. Amazing. 2 golden tickets this morning in nursery go to Victor and Milana. Well done, Victor. Well done, Milana. Look at that massive smile on Victor's face. Really, really well done. Well done, Milana, as well. Super smiles on you, and you should be smiling now because you've just won the golden ticket, you superstar. Enjoy taking these home with you at the end of today. Well done, both of you. In reception, Miss McTavish says the winner of this has had some excellent ideas this week and he is always confident to share them with the class. I'm always impressed with his creativity, especially with the Lego. He's done some super reading this week too. Well done. Well done to none other than Ruben. There he is. Well done, Ruben, you superstar. Big smile on your face. Really well done. Congratulations on earning your golden ticket and keep up the amazing creative Lego creations that you are making. Well done. Miss Ruffle says this child has matured a lot over the year. He's very cheerful and great at playing with others, which is superb. He's always worked very hard on his phonics and counting, which is amazing. This week's golden ticket goes none other than, here he is, Cody. Well done, Cody. What a beautiful drawing as well. You've written your name beautifully as well there. So really well done. Big smile on your face. Well done, buddy. So pleased for you. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. You superstar. Really well done. On to year 1, and Miss Marshall says this child has made so much progress in phonics. They're now reading whole sentences independently. Well done. It is amazing. We keep working on our phonics and now we're able to read. It is a brilliant. Golden ticket goes none other than Mason. Well done, Mason. Again, big smile on your face there. Again, do some maths there as well. But keep up with that phonics and keep up reading every day, buddy, because it will just help you. So really well done. I know your brother's going to be really proud of you as well. So well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. Mr. Ackerman says this child has a great work ethic and really digs in when the going gets tough. They always give things their best shot and they tackle tasks with enthusiasm. This child is kind and caring and a good friend to all. And she always thinks about how others are feeling, which is amazing. This week's 1RA golden ticket winner is none other than Zara. There she is. Well done, Zara. You absolute superstar. She's always smiling, always enthusiastic. So really well done. Congratulations. I know everyone's going to be giving you a massive cheer as well. So well done on winning your golden ticket, you superstar. Well done. On to year 2, and Miss Begum says this child has grown in confidence throughout the year. They're getting better at not giving up. And when they find a task challenging and believe in themselves more, they really do. They just keep going, which is brilliant. Keep giving everything a try. Golden ticket this week goes to Maxwell. Well done, Maxwell. Some real resilience there. Perseverance. These are all the words that are you now. So really well done. You've done brilliantly in the year 2. So well done on earning your golden ticket, superstar. So chuffed for you. Keep it up, buddy. Miss Hall says it was so incredibly hard to pick just one child this week as we've been so impressed by all of year 2. However, he has worked so hard in his SATs this week. He certainly has. I am impressed by this new hard-working attitude. I think we all are. And obviously, keep it up. Keep it up, Jack. Well done, Jack. I know you have done so well in your key year 2 SATs. So really well done. You have impressed us all. But just keep up that really positive attitude, that working hard, that hard mentality of just getting on and persevering. So well done, Jack. So proud of you. I know your brothers will be as well. So really well done. And finally this morning, in the SRB, the winner this week is a pleasure to have in the SRB. They really are. They've always got a big smile on their face as well. So they always try their best, no matter what they're doing. We can see this most of all in their phonics, where they have been making great progress, which is fantastic. They're also very kind and are happy to help others. They really are, wherever they are around school. Golden ticket goes none other than Leon. Here he is. Well done, Leon. That big smile on your face. You should be smiling, Leon. Tries his best, shares the load, and progress in phonics. So really well done, Leon. Huge congratulations on earning your golden ticket, buddy. Enjoy taking the home with you today. You superstar. Well done. Well done, everyone. Well done to all of you who've earned yourselves a golden ticket this week. There's just one more week to go until we break up for half term. So next week is our last golden ticket until we have a break for half term where we have a week off. But thank you as well. A massive thank you to everyone in school. Thank you so much throughout these past 2 weeks. We've had our year sixes sitting their sets. We've had our year twos sitting their sets. So thank you to every single one of you throughout and around school. And thank you for all the parents as well for making sure your children in to complete those sats. So really, really well done to all of you. And thank you to all of you. If it wasn't you this week, don't worry, give it a go next week. Who knows, it could be you. Copy those children who've won the golden ticket today, and who knows, next week it could be you. Until then, everyone, have a great weekend. Bye-bye now.